Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain and finance. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer ETH from Revolut to your wallet in 2025. If you're holding Ethereum on Revolut and want to move it to a secure wallet for more control, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the Revolut app updated to the latest version for 2025 features. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Security is key, so use two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Crypto section, usually found at the bottom of the home screen. It's your gateway to all your digital assets. Next, locate your ETH balance in the Crypto tab. Tap on it to access your options. You'll see a Send or Transfer button. Go ahead and select that. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You'll need to input your external wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Pro tip: use a QR code scanner if your wallet app supports it for easier entry. Enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Be mindful of any transaction fees, which might vary based on network congestion in 2025. Revolut usually displays these upfront. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation screen, and once you approve, the process begins. Sit tight. Transactions on the Ethereum network can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the current blockchain load. Keep an eye on your Revolut app for updates. Once it's done, check your external wallet to confirm the ETH has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ETH from Revolut to your wallet in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security. Never share your wallet's private keys and consider using hardware wallets for better protection. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.